Billy, take cover in this. Billy, take cover in this. Come closer. Come. Hey, I need one guy over there at the sign, over there to the tree line. Just overwatch.
Get on your way.
One guy, Brian, go for it. Then overwatch the main road.
I don't want to drop water bottle.
Hey, go ahead and bring them out. All 4 of them. Unopened. Carlos, right? Yeah, just, I don't know about that area. There's a trail back there. Just keep your eyes open. Hey, Carlos, you know, go ahead and search the area for weapons or grenades or cocaine. Yeah? Any coca? Coca?
No.
He had that on him?
Yeah, but
Let's take the mag out.
What the fuck are we playing?
Oh, hey, pull security. Pull security.
I thought we were gonna be fucking shooting people.
Hey, just, hey, man. Hey, hang tough, right? Hang tough, okay?
Are you role playing? Are you role playing right now?
Hang tough. We're gonna shoot somebody soon, okay? We're gonna shoot somebody, okay? Fucking Overwatch. Do your job, alright? Stay in the game. What about you?
They have weapons over there.
Yeah, they do?
Yeah, there's 2 rifles and a pistol.
Where's the cocaine?
Right shield.
Wait,
I have
coke,
but not
cocaine, Kool-Aid.
varieties. We have many varieties.
No? You got some?
Brandon.
No?
Yeah, there in the bush. There's 2 rifles and a pistol.
Where's the captain?
What captain?
The captain. The guy. Oh, Jefe. What's the Jefe? The boss.
Shouldn't we be walking that too
Where's
back?
the boss? Yeah, go ahead and take 2 guys and walk it back.
Oh, I gotta do it. Okay.
Well, hey, send somebody on it. Alright, so what kind of weapons do they have over there?
Give me his mag for his body. Something with me.
Hey, don't keep them together though.
This is the right mag?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh. No bullets.
My mags are in my pouches, okay?
Grab the weapons. They got riot shield.
Oh, shit. No drugs?
Ivan said you can get all 3 rifles.
Yeah. Go ahead, confiscate that shit.
Anybody have a backpack over here?
Just watch that area. Alright, hey.
Where's my whip?
Just keep spread out, right? Just in case. We're all alone out here. Yeah, you 2 guys, sit down. Sit down over there. You 2. Where's the drunk? Did they take the drunk?
I don't know. Point in direction with your foot.
Alright, so what do you know?
We are the hunters with the yaks, yes. They're the yaks.
What do you know? They're not really helping me.
Did you have pat down?
Pat down? Yeah, he don't have nothing. What do you know? Anything?
He knows how to speak.
Whose guns are those over there? Assault rifles. Yours? Why?
Hunting.
Hunting.
Yes.
With
Yaks are mainly in this land.
M4. Hunting with M4?
Yes.
The yaks are mainly in stone in this land.
Big drum magazine.
Alright, listen, motherfuckers. Y'all shut up, alright? What do you know? Tell me. Come on. I know you know something. I'm about to take you back to our headquarters and we're gonna do some crazy ass shit. I'm gonna let you go right now if you tell me something good. Alright. Go ahead and take it back to HQ, alright? Keep them at least like 5 feet away from you.
On me, come on. Good luck, friend. Come on, double time it, come on. Bobby, what do you want to do with the weapons?
Hold on. I'm waiting for him to leave. Alright. probably has something good in there. That black bag on his harness. No, we didn't find no fucking Kool-Aid.
Not yet. They are insurgents.
What the
They are both
fuck?
insurgents. Oh!
Contact! Contact over here! Full security right over here! Hey, contact! Come back! Let him go! Let him go! Hurry up! Get in there.
Medic! I'll be able to track you. Medic!
Bring him, bring him, bring him. Don't stay bunched up. Give me that mag, Stormy. Give me that mag, Stormy. Fucking knew it.
Powder?
Yeah, that's powder. Put that in my bag. Make sure it's on a pocket with a big ass hole in it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Where the fuck go? Right side. Overwatch right side.
Okay. There's one guy. He shot me to my right.
Yeah.
So he was over there.
Roger. We got the coke.
We got the.
Yeah. All right.
Going back or?
Yeah. Pull out. Let's pull out.
We're leaving this here.
Huh?
Leaving this here.
You know what? We'll take the evidence.
Is there water in there?
Hey, keep a good